What is degrees of description in Tagalog? Well, stick around and find out. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. Let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. In the last 3 videos, we have discussed the degrees of comparison in Tagalog, or the method of comparing traits or characteristics between subjects. In those videos, we have learned how to say one is better than someone else. But what if we want to describe someone who is very pretty or very nice or very fast without comparing that someone with someone else? Well, in that case, we will be using what is called the degrees of description. The degrees of description is used to describe the degree or intensity of the description of someone or something without comparing that someone or that something with someone else or something else. Make sense? In essence, a degree of description is a statement of one's or a thing's characteristic relative to itself, as you can see in this table. The degrees of description in Tagalog is composed of the positive degree, Lantay, slight degree, Katamtaman, and extreme degree, Masidhi. The positive degree is represented by an adjective and is the baseline description. The slight degree is composed of prefixes and suffixes including MEDYO, ng KAUNTI, ng BAHAGYA, and the MA+Reduplicated Root Words method. The extreme degree includes the prefixes napaka, sobrang, both of which we have learned in the previous videos, ubod ng, masyadong, talagang, and saksakan ng. In this lesson, I will focus only on the adjective medyo, ng kaunti, napaka, sobrang, masyadong, and talagang, because I feel that these are the ones you will encounter more. Just be aware of the existence of the others. So, tara, simulan na natin. I will show you simple sentences on how to use the degrees of description. Let's begin with the adjective maganda. Beautiful or pretty. Maganda si Marie. Marie is beautiful or Marie is pretty. Medyo maganda si Ariana. Maganda ng kaunti si Ariana. Ariana is somewhat beautiful. Or Ariana is a little bit beautiful. Or Ariana is somewhat pretty. Or Ariana is a little bit pretty. Medyo is Spanish in origin, which means half in Spanish. But in Tagalog, it means a little bit. Kaunti, on the other hand, is the Tagalog word for a little or a few. Make sense so far? Moving on. Napakaganda ni Tess. Sobrang ganda ni Tess. Tess is very beautiful. Or Tess is so beautiful. Or Tess is super pretty. We've talked about napaka and sobra in episode 126. For napaka and sobra, we attach the root word instead of the adjective. Note too that the case marker for the subject is the indirect marker ni and not the direct marker si. Please remember that. Moving on. Masyadong maganda si Tess. Tess is too beautiful or Tess is too pretty. Talagang maganda si Tess. Tess is really beautiful or Tess is really pretty. Masyado is borrowed from the Spanish demasiado. I've talked about in the last video. Talaga, on the other hand, is Tagalog for really. You can use it in conversation like this one. Maganda ba si Tess? Oo, maganda si Tess. Talaga? Oo, talaga. Got it? Let's have some more examples. Malaki ang bahay ni Ernie. Ernie's house is big. Remember, bahay is a common noun. Therefore, the case marker is ang. Medyo malaki ang bahay ni June. Malaki ng kaunti ang bahay ni June. June's house is somewhat big, or June's house is a little bit big. Napakalaki ng bahay ni Edgar. Sobrang laki ng bahay ni Edgar. Edgar's house is very big. Or Edgar's house is so big. Or Edgar's house is super big. As mentioned earlier, for napaka and sobra, the subject is attached with an indirect marker. In this case, the indirect marker ng, because bahay is a common noun. Moving on. Masyadong malaki ang bahay ni Edgar. Edgar's house is too big. Talagang malaki ang bahay ni Edgar. Edgar's house is really big. Please remember that these subjects do not compare the traits or characteristics of a subject against another person or object. These sentences express the degree or intensity of the subject's characteristics and nothing else. Alright, now let's continue. But before that, please be sure that you are subscribed if you're still not by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. Alright, moving on. Matalino si Christina. Christina is intelligent or Christina is smart. Medyo matalino si Katrina. Matalino ng kaunti si Katrina. Both mean Katrina is somewhat intelligent or Katrina is a little bit intelligent or Katrina is somewhat smart or Katrina is a little bit smart. Napaka-talino ni Erica. Sobrang talino ni Erica. Erica is very intelligent. Erica is so intelligent. Erica is super intelligent. You can also use smart if you like. Masyadong matalino si Erica. Erica is too intelligent or Erica is too smart. Talagang matalino si Erica. Erica is really intelligent or Erica is really smart. Mataba ang kuneho ni Joaquin. Joaquin's rabbit is fat. Medyo mataba ang pusa ni Edwin. Mataba ng kaunti ang pusa ni Edwin. Edwin's cat is somewhat fat or Edwin's cat is a little bit fat. Napakataba ng aso ni Anton. Sobrang taba ng aso ni Anton. Anton's dog is very fat or Anton's dog is so fat or Anton's dog is super fat. Masyadong mataba ang aso ni Anton. Anton's dog is too fat. Talagang mataba ang aso ni Anton. Anton's dog is really fat. Ayos ba? Hindi naman mahirap, di ba? It's not too hard, right? Let's continue with more examples. Mayaman si Michael Bloomberg. Michael Bloomberg is rich. Medyo mayaman si Bill Gates. Mayaman ng kaunti si Bill Gates. Bill Gates is somewhat rich or Bill Gates is a little bit rich. Napaka-yaman ni Elon Musk. Sobrang yaman ni Elon Musk. Elon Musk is very rich or Elon Musk is so rich or Elon Musk is super rich. Masyadong mayaman si Elon Musk. Elon Musk is too rich. Talagang mayaman si Elon Musk. Elon Musk is really rich. Matulin ang kotse ni Carlos Sainz. Carlos Sainz's car is fast. Medyo matulin ang kotse ni Max Verstappen. Matulin ng kaunti ang kotse ni Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen's car is somewhat fast or Max Verstappen's car is a little bit fast. Napakatulin ng kotse ni Lewis Hamilton. Sobrang tulin ng kotse ni Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton's car is very fast. Or, Lewis Hamilton's car is so fast. Or, Lewis Hamilton's car is super fast. Masyadong matulin ang kotse ni Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton's car is too fast. Talagang matulin ang kotse ni Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton's car is really fast. Matangkad si Allen Iverson. Allen Iverson is tall. Medyo matangkad si Jordan Clarkson. Matangkad ng kaunti si Jordan Clarkson. Jordan Clarkson is somewhat tall. Jordan Clarkson is a little bit tall. Napakatangkad ni Boban Marjanovic. Sobrang tangkad ni Boban Marjanovic. Boban Marjanovic is very tall. Boban Marjanovic is so tall. Boban Marjanovic is super tall. Masyadong matangkad si Boban Marjanovic. Boban Marjanovic is too tall. Talagang matangkad si Boban Marjanovic. Boban Marjanovic is really tall. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it some love by clicking on the like button because that will make this video or this channel be recommended to more people, thus helping this channel grow. Alright, let's move on. Mabait ang nanay ko. My mom is nice or my mom is kind. In Tagalog, the adjective mabait has a broad meaning. It can mean nice or kind or even sympathetic or generous or an overall good person. Count yourself lucky if you are described as being mabait by a Filipino. Got it? Let's move on. Medyo mabait ang tatay ko. Mabait ng kaunti ang tatay ko. My dad is somewhat nice. Or, my dad is a little bit nice. Or you can say, my dad is somewhat kind. Or, my dad is a little bit kind. Napakabait ng nanay mo. Sobrang bait ng nanay mo. Your mom is very nice. Your mom is so nice. Your mom is super nice. Or you can say, your mom is very kind. Your mom is so kind. Or your mom is super kind. Masyadong mabait ang nanay mo. Your mom is too nice. Or your mom is too kind. Talagang mabait ang nanay mo. Your mom is really nice. Or your mom is really kind. Matapang si Floyd Mayweather. Floyd Mayweather is brave. Medyo matapang si Brandon Rios. Matapang ng kaunti si Brandon Rios. Brandon Rios is somewhat brave. Or, Brandon Rios is a little bit brave. Napakatapang ni Manny Pacquiao. Sobrang tapang ni Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao is very brave. Or, Manny Pacquiao is so brave. Or, Manny Pacquiao is super brave. Masyadong matapang si Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao is too brave. Talagang matapang si Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao is really brave. There you have it. We have just started discussing the degrees of description in Tagalog. In the next video, I will be presenting more sample sentences focusing on the opposite of the adjectives I have used in this video. Be sure to catch that. I will see you then. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.